Hi friends, today is the 20th of May. It was an expiry day today, weekly expiry. Let's see what did Nifty do. So this was supposed to be a breakaway gap, but then breakaway gap is only considered so only if it gives some momentum beyond the breakaway candle. So that didn't happen. Yesterday we saw some fair bit of selling pressure coming in this candle. And then there was some follow through price action today. So that is what you can see on the daily charts. If you would have noticed the chart which I had posted for Nifty on my Twitter, so this 882, 887 level was very, very important because this was the entire range bound action we had been seeing in the past 2 months or yeah, probably about 1.5 months. So finally it had given a breakout about it, but then now it looks like a retest. Why do I say retest? Because it would be a breakdown only if there is some kind of follow through price action below this. As long as it stays above this line, above this range, it is still not a breakdown. तो अपन अभी सेल कब करेंगे? We will sell the Nifty only if it breaks below this 875. To be on the safer side, let us take it as 860 के नीचे सेल करेंगे निफ्टी को स्पॉट पे. एंड देन सपोर्ट तो यहाँ पे भी है, अराउंड 750 के आसपास भी सपोर्ट है. There's not much momentum on the downside unless we see some major selling across the board and all the indices, sectoral indices. अगर वो होता है तो then it's a very bearish signal. But then as far as today's price action is concerned, I think if we see on the 4 hour charts for the Nifty, ये जाके exactly इसके नीचे ये लाइन पे जाके retest करके ऊपर गया है. So now tomorrow I think we should be seeing a gap up. अगर ये गैप अप खुला और यहाँ से अगर शॉर्ट कवरिंग का रैली आया तो फिर ये भागने वाला है यहाँ तक. सो दिस इनिशियली इन द फर्स्ट ग्लांस लुक्स लाइक अ बेयर ट्रैप. तो अगर ये बेयर ट्रैप हुआ तो फिर शॉर्ट कवरिंग से कल बहुत खतरनाक भागने वाला है. सो दिस वाज व्हाट निफ्टी इज. सो वी विल लुक टू बाय इट अबव 15,000 अगर गैप अप खुला तो. And target should be around 15,250 250ish, 250 270ish. तो वहाँ तक जाने का है. So let us see how the market opens today. I mean tomorrow. Let us look at what Bank Nifty did today. तो बैंक निफ्टी में भी यही हाल है कि ये गैप क्रिएट हो गया था उस दिन एंड दैट गैप हैज बीन फिल्ड विथ कंप्लीट दिस वन. बट यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे दिस ट्रेंड लाइन जो ब्रेकआउट हुआ था, ये ट्रेंड लाइन को मोर और लेस रीटेस्ट करने आया. तो अगर यहाँ से लास्ट में देखोगे इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू द ट्रेंड लाइन. तो यहाँ if there was some sort of buying in the last 15-20 minutes in Bank Nifty, और अगर ये भी वैसा ही है ब्रेकआउट रिटेस्ट जैसे लग रहा है, and then from here if it starts going up again you could see 34,000 very soon, 34,000 and probably higher. तो ये हुआ बैंक निफ्टी. एंड देन टुमारो वी हैव SBI earnings also. SBI on the 4 hour charts is actually quite nice looking. तो यहाँ पे ये क्या है? This is a pole and this is a flag. So this is more or less making a see uh, after giving a 5 or 6% move on Monday, I think. उसके बाद ये गिरा नहीं है. So it's just been consolidating in a very narrow range. So this is a bullish signal. तो ये यहाँ से अगर निकलता है, see even this if you see, it's not bearish at all. आलिए पे स्पॉट टाइम फ्रेम. सो दिस अगर ये 390 के ऊपर निकलता है देन वी कुड सी सम वेरी गुड मोमेंटम इन स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. ये जाएगा एटलीस्ट 400 410 तक तो मोमेंटम मिलना चाहिए इसमें. सो दिस वन स्टॉक विल बी ऑन योर वॉच लिस्ट, शुड बी ऑन योर वॉच लिस्ट टुमारो. यहाँ तक मिलना चाहिए मूव आइडियली 410 409 पकड़ो, 409 तक मिलना चाहिए. So this is one stock which you should keep on your watch list for tomorrow. Then Reliance also. Reliance was supposed to have a short covering move about 2000 जो हो नहीं पा रहा. 3 दिन से it is just range bound. It's just making inside candles. ये बनाया then it's just Today's candle is an inside candle, so you can't call it really bearish unless it goes below this low, that is 1970 के नीचे. Only then it becomes bearish. Until then, it is just sideways consolidation here. This one is just sideways consolidation. If you see it on the hourly chart, you'll get to know. Although at first glance it might look bullish, but then यहाँ पे support लेके there's a good chance it might again bounce back up. तो ये हुआ Reliance, and this has been underperforming since a long, long time. So who were the losers today? The losers were all metals. You can see Tata Steel, Hindalco, JSW. Uh, so all these were losers. तो ये निफ्टी मेटल अगर देखोगे, this had already run up quite a bit, so this was quite anticipated कि correction आएगा, profit booking आएगा. It was very anticipated कि होने वाला है करके. ये daily पे it's again come and hit the support. तो ये support बन गया है. अगर if there is some bullish momentum all across the market, then you could see some short covering in the metal index as well. तो metal names भी अगर आप टाटा स्टील देखोगे, this is more or less at the support, but this is not one of the charts that you would I would like to go long on. उतना ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं है. One stock which I really like is, हाँ जैसे मैंने आज तो बताया था, India Bulls. That is the one that gave us very good money today. Whoever had followed me on Telegram or Twitter, you would have noticed कि मैंने ये डाला था सुबह सुबह ही. Before even the market opened, I had a very good intuition कि ये भागने वाला है करके. एंड आई थिंक एंट्री तो काफ़ी अच्छे से इट गेव यू टाइम फॉर एंट्री ऑल्सो. ऐसा नहीं था कि सुबह सुबह खुलते ही गैप अप खुल के भाग गया. इट गेव यू ऑलमोस्ट एन आवर. ये देखो ये 4 कैंडल्स पे कंसोलिडेट हुआ. सो दिस अगेन इनसाइड बार, यू कैन सी दिस, ये बड़ा बार बनाया, देन 1 2 3 इनसाइड बार. सो आफ्टर दिस इनसाइड बार व्हेन इट ब्रोक आउट अबाउट दिस वाज अ बाय सिग्नल. बट देन यहाँ पे इस सिचुएशन में क्या करना चाहिए, व्हेन यू आर पर्टिकुलरली बुलिश एंट्री, यहाँ पे यू शुड टेक द फर्स्ट लॉट ओवर हियर, then add one more here, add one more here. Then the final lot should be added after it breaks above the this candle. तो यहाँ पे it was a very good play, and then it gave a 10% move, पूरा upper circuit तक गया. Upper circuit में खोल के फिर निकाल के, then it just after the upper circuit opened again, it gave a bit of a bearish movement, a bearish this action, and then it again. I mean, yeah, as long as it's about 207, there's nothing to worry. You can hold on to it positionally, is what I feel, because this is just a short term time frame. If you look at the longer time frame chart, right, weekly mein, it has given a very strong breakout on the weekly. If you look at this, so this was the range, right? So this is why I was very keen on the stock, क्योंकि ये 188 का जो लेवल है उसके ऊपर जब निकला ना, तब मेरे को समझ में आ गया था कि ये भागने वाला है भाई साहब. So you don't need 100 stocks to trade. You just need a few stocks, but with full conviction, you should be trading them, including all. You should know where the levels exactly are. That is how money is made in the market. It's not by trading 100 stocks. You just need a few stocks. So yeah, maybe the momentum has just started on the weekly. I think 250 तक जाने का है इसमें पक्का. This is the kind of chart which I think I had posted for Coal India. It was range bound action and then bottom of the range, top of the range. This is the kind of price action that this guy could give you. तो ये 214 का रेजिस्टेंस था. 214 was exactly where it has gone and made a top and then reversed from there. But it's any pullback in this is a buying opportunity for sure. I still haven't covered all my position though. थोड़ा रख के रखना है इसको. इफ यू वांट पोजिशनली तो फिर तो सही है ये स्टॉक. 250 तक तो मिल जाएगा मूव. सो दिस टाइम इफ इट गिव्स अ मंथली क्लोज अबाउट दिस 226 ना, then you could see a very strong momentum in this stock coming forward, going forward. तो इसको रखे रखो. whoever's entered with me good, or else fresh entry के लिए you'll have to wait for a pullback for a fresh entry. One more stock which I really like from the same space, housing finance space से, this is Mahindra and Mahindra Financial. ये BSE खुल गया. M&M. Yeah, here. So this is the, so see monthly खुल गया ये, but हम monthly में भी it has given very good Weekly pay, it's a very, very good candle. It has eaten these 2 weeks. This is a bullish stock and very, very strong entry point over here with a small stop loss. ये अगर निकलेगा तो ये 195 तक मूव है. This was the range it was trading. I usually make the range on a monthly candle and then convert it into weekly later. तो मंथली का रेंज ये है इसका. यहाँ से मिनिमम आपको 170 180 तक तो मिलना चाहिए मूव इसमें. वेरी नाइस चार्ट. वेरी वेरी बुलिश. यहाँ पे देखोगे दिस इज अ फ्लैट ब्रेकआउट from here if you see. Just show it to you. So this was the breakout. अभी ये हुआ है जस्ट. So this is the first sign of bullishness in the stock. यहाँ से it could go much much higher. And 175 175 170 तक तो जाना चाहिए आराम से. 170 is achievable in this in the next I wouldn't say give a time frame but हाँ हो जाएगा इसमें 170 तक तो. Ideally, what you should be doing in this stock is buy a June future and sit. चुपचाप बैठो, खेलो मत उसमें. That is the only way to play positional in this stock. ये हुआ. Then I think Amara Raja also looks kind of good. क्योंकि ये selling का candle था. Then it has given a momentum could not continue. There was again buying which emerged over here. This happens to be the 26 EMA. तो प्राइस एक्शन के वजह हिसाब से दिस इज बुलिश कैंडल ऑन द 4 आवर चार्ट्स. यहाँ से 800 तक तो जा सकता है आराम से विदाउट एनी टेंशन एट ऑल. तो ये एक स्टॉक हुआ. सो आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन यू 4 or 5 स्टॉक्स डिस्कस कर लिया अपन ने. या चलो. आई थिंक दैट शुड बी इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.